Hey guys, it's your boy Habib Etiquette, and today we have a good news for you guys. For the past 5 days, AirtelTigo has brought in eSIM. Yeah, that's it. AirtelTigo has, introduced eSIM in Ghana. A lot of people have been asking what is eSIM. I know some don't know what is eSIM or what eSIM is. Don't worry, I got you right there, and I'm gonna explain to you further. Though the chain telco in Ghana here currently is MTN, but MTN is not able to do this. And congratulations to AirtelTigo for bringing in the eSIM for Ghanaians. eSIM, as it sounds, whenever you hear eSIM, don't allow anyone to fool you. eSIM, embedded SIM, virtual SIM. It's not a physical SIM, not just like the ones we've been seeing. I'm coming. I got you. As you can see, can you see this is a physical SIM? Okay, I think it's still clear. Yeah, something like this. This is a physical SIM, and this is what we've been using, for a long time in Ghana here. But currently, AirtelTigo has introduced eSIM to Ghanaians. eSIM, so it's kind of like you having a SIM card, but it's not a physical one, which gonna fix in your phone, and it's gonna block some spaces. As you know, it's just an eSIM. I think you can do that online. It's a virtual SIM. It's an embedded one. So with that, there are some codes that you have to dial. And one sad story about eSIM is it's not all phones that can enable the feature on. Okay, it's not all phone. So I'll try as much as possible to bring in the list of some of the phones that cannot be enabled, or the some of the phones that eSIM cannot be enabled on. Something like Tecno Spark 5 Pro. Yeah, I'm using Tecno Spark 5 Pro. So Tecno Spark 5 Pro is not supported. Okay, or it doesn't support eSIM. And I think iPhone X also doesn't support eSIM. Not all phones. There are some phones that can enable the eSIM, and there are others that cannot enable it. So if you are one of us who is using the Tecno Spark 5 Pro, then my brother, sorry, you are not part of them. So we'll try and show you the phones that support the eSIM, so that if you are ready or you want to use the eSIM, or to be part of those who want to enable it on their phone, then you can just go buy those kind of phones and come and enable the eSIM and start using it. But for the process, when you dial the star hash 60, or is it star hash 06 hash or something like that, I'll just put it on the screen. When you dial that, there are some EID code that's going to pop up. Whenever that EID code pops up, then you are qualified and you can enable it on your mobile phone. But when the EID doesn't pop up, something like EIM, something like that is going to pop up, then you are not qualified to enable the eSIM on your mobile phone. Or AirtelTigo is the first telco to bring this eSIM to Ghana. Congratulations. So after you've checked that and you are qualified, the next step is just pick your Ghana card, or pick your ID card with your mobile phone, which can support and enable the eSIM as you've already checked. Then kindly move to any of the AirtelTigo's office close to you. Then the rest of the process will continue there. I think it's very, very informative. I should have brought this video previously, but I think I was doing a lot of research. But one thing that I want you to know is, when something comes like this, Ghanaians or Africans or whatever you found yourself, don't rush to try and let's say put in money, like I want to be the first person, then you are just trying to rush and do everything first. No, when you rush, you will crash. Yeah, because I was going through, as I was doing research, I heard someone shouting that AirtelTigo should give him his money. Why? He was like, and he did the eSIM something, and he didn't come. A lot of stories, you understand? So don't rush. We will do that for you. We will go do the research, whatever it is, we'll bring it to you out there. Then you will also learn from it and benefit. You learning from what I teach, you don't know how it motivates me to do more. And that's how I am. As you know, it's your boy Habib Educate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. If you are new on this channel, bro, you are welcome to the family. But if you're here with us, then welcome back. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I will see you in the next video. More research for you. Salam.